The Reserve Bank will hand down its monthly decision on interest rates.
Warning today, the board expects that further increases in interest rates will be needed over the months ahead.
Today's Thursday the 7th and the RBA have just announced their interest rates decision for the month. Interest rates was a buzzword in 2022. If we thought 2021 was bad, 2022 came up and said, hold my beer. We went from a situation of all-time lows on home loan interest rates down at 1.89% to where we sit right now at 5.04%. That's a staggering 282% increase, which leaves many borrowers in a precarious condition. Before I get into the update, if you're new here, I plan to give these updates every so often on interest rates, along with comments on things like the property market and so on, so please subscribe to the channel to keep updated. Guys, the latest interest rate update was pretty much set in stone when the CPI figures came out in January. Australia's annual inflation rate, as measured by the Consumer Price Index, begins 2023 sitting at a 30-year high of 7.3%. This is negative news because what it means is that the cost of stuff is still going up. The reason the Reserve Bank increases interest rates is to stop the cost of stuff going up. This is because there'll be less demand for people to spend their money on stuff. As if that didn't hit the nail in the coffin of rising interest rates enough, the US Central Bank came out and increased their interest rates just last week. If you followed the channel before, you'll know that we love doing whatever America does when it comes to monetary policy. I know mass media are going to come out and peddle the doom and gloom scenario here, and that's not necessarily untrue, but we can zoom out the last few months and look at what the banks have been doing with fixed rates. Banks have been reducing their fixed loans the last few months of last year. This is a relief because it suggests to me that they're not as worried about interest rates rising as steeply as what they were in 2022. Are we seeing the tide turn for interest rates in 2023? I'm going to offer a personal opinion here. That is that people focus way too much on interest rates. Is it a problem? Yes. Can you do anything about it? Of course not. Guys, I talk to people all the time wanting to borrow money. Generally, they want to overextend to get into that dream house or they want to buy that extra investment. I would offer that what most people should try and do is just make more money. I get it, that's not easy, but overextending is a risky way of getting what you want. If you want me to post on other stuff that people are doing to increase their income, then let me know in the comments. I've also made a short little video about the economic predictions I've got for 2023, which does go into interest rates in a little bit more detail. Till next time, I'll see you later.